TransUnion says I'm dead. Hi, this is consumer protection attorney Bill Clanton. I've helped hundreds of consumers deal with inaccurate credit reports, debt collection harassment, and other consumer-related matters. In this video, I'm going to talk about what you can do when TransUnion says you're dead. Now, a little bit of background as to how this happens. Mixed files. When you and another person have the same or a similar name, especially if you live in the same town or in the same zip code, or the closer you live to one another, or if you have a similar birth date to somebody with the same name as you, or a similar social security number, your files can become merged. That means information from their report ends up on your report and vice versa. That can be a reason that you have been declared deceased by TransUnion. Another reason could be identity theft. An identity thief can take your identity, take out credit in your name, get a job in your name, get your tax return in your name, and they can die. If they die, it could be reported on your credit report that you are dead. There are other reasons, but those are two of the primary reasons that you might be reported as dead on your TransUnion credit report. Now, if your TransUnion credit report says you're deceased and you know it, then you're obviously not deceased. And you have a big problem. Being deceased means that your credit file is closed. You have a 0 credit score. You can't get credit. You can't take out a credit card. You can't buy a car. You'll never qualify for a mortgage being deceased. It can cause huge problems for you. If you have the situation going on, you probably learned it in some sort of bad way, being turned down for credit, a car dealer saying you're dead, things like that. Obviously, if you're watching this, you're not dead. And so you've got a problem with your credit report. What do you do? How can you fix this? Send a letter to the credit bureaus. Include a picture of your driver's license and your social security card, a recent utility bill. Show them you are alive. Call them. Then call a lawyer. Because when TransUnion says you're deceased and you're really alive, they violated the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The Fair Credit Reporting Act says TransUnion has to report information about you with the maximum possible accuracy. That's the language from the statute, maximum possible accuracy. When you are dead, when you're reported as dead and you can see it, you're obviously not dead, and so TransUnion can't say you're dead. This is causing you problems, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this video. So, when you're ready to turn the tables on TransUnion, give us a call, because when they say you're dead and you're not, it's a big problem. Thank you for watching this video. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.